What up, guys? How are you? So, in this video, I will be quickly sharing with you some information. What is PayPal reserves? Okay, I know that you can't see my pretty face, but I want to show you that. Okay, I want to share with you my screen. So again, if you are interested about eBay dropshipping, eBay UK, eBay.com, this is the channel that you need to be in. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and give this a video a thumbs up if it helps you. So let's start. So what is basically as you can see in my PayPal account, I have a balance of 1,000 and almost 800, and you can see down there there's a hold of over 6,000 pounds that are in hold. So basically, what it means, as you can see here, you can read about it. It says that for now, yes, only today I received my email finally that they reduced my rolling reserve from 20. I had 20% rolling reserves, and they reduced it today to 10%. So basically, what it means that each it is like it's not like PayPal jail, okay? It's something that it is like every transaction that you make PayPal takes for now. They had taken from me 20% so far, but from today they will take only 10. So basically, they are taking this 10 or 20%, and they are putting in the side. Okay, it doesn't mean that this money it's not yours. It's yours, but you will receive it only after 45 days. Okay, there are some rolling reserves of 60 days, 90 days. It depends. I know that in the United States it's more for 90 days, but the percentages are much lower. So basically, I just received, I think in May, I received an email from PayPal saying that we applied a rolling reserve on your account of 20%. I was shocked, okay, because 20% is not even what I'm profiting per month, and I didn't had any savings, and was my biggest mistake, that I was taking money from my account, money that I could leave it there, but I passed that, and basically I just woke up in the morning, received an email from PayPal that's saying that, hey dude, we are taking 20% of all of your transactions, and you will receive them only after 45 days. But it's not really helping me because uh, even after 45 days that the money is releasing to me, they still are taking like 10% or 20%, whatever the percentage is, uh, every day. Every new transaction, your rolling reserve will be uh, put on held, and you will be able to touch this money only after 45 days. So basically it means that PayPal got me from zero pounds in savings, like that I don't need to touch them, to almost 6 7,000 pounds that I need to have in held, and that I can like still pay my bills and pay eBay without touching them. So it was super hard for me. The first 45 days are the toughest, and also it was hard for me because 20% it's not even what I'm profiting, and it was super hard. And today I received the email for 10%, so I'm glad now because I will have this money released, that I have 6,000 pounds, so half of that will be released to me in the next 45 days. So basically, what you need to know is this is a different thing from PayPal jail. Okay, this is I received that after I got, I think, to 100,000 in sales. So this is, I think, the point that you everyone received that. Okay, I tried to call them to do something. There's nothing to be done because as a drop shipping model, they see that business model as a risky business model. Okay, and So there's nothing that you can do. You need to be prepared for that. Okay, and my biggest tip is for you to actually go ahead and not touch the money that you are profiting from eBay. Okay, and like, even if you are already making full-time income and doing 1000 3000, try to take as less as you can, because you will need this money in the future. Believe me, you don't want to be in the situation that I was. It will really help you out when you will receive the email of the rolling reserves. And basically, when you receive that, only the next time that they can like review that, it's I think after 90 days or something like that, or even 180 days. So be prepared for that. It is super tough, especially if you get like high rolling reserve as I did. That was 20%. It was like huge problem for me, but I overcame that. And yeah, hope this video helped you out. If you have questions, something that you want to ask about it, please leave your comments below. And again, I will appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel to get the most updated eBay dropshipping videos. And if you like this video, please leave this video a thumbs up, and we will catch up in the next video, guys.